This is the #1 thing I wish I knew about grilling. I got the new Turbo E outdoor grill by PlugNGrill, and it's an absolute game changer when it comes to grilling. Because it's 2024, and if you think about it, we've been using the same type of old concept grills for years without a big change to the industry. But that's where Turbo E comes into play, because this single grill is all you need. It's a portable electric outdoor grill that plugs in with a normal 120V socket, so you can set it up and grill anywhere you'd like. That means no more trips to the store for propane, just plug and grill. But Turbo E plugs right in, and it's easy to set up anywhere. It's all digital, and it uses a new type of heat distribution, so you know your food is cooking evenly and great. The control panel on the front makes it super easy to get the perfect heat for whatever you're cooking. It has a preheat feature, so the grill gets right where it needs to be while you prep. And it even has a digital probe to make cooking meat so much easier and safer. This thing is absolutely huge. We've got a big family, and I always have room on the grill no matter what I'm cooking. And honestly, my favorite part has been the cleanup. It has an underbay that catches everything that drips down to make it easy to clean. We just scrape everything off the grates and then wash it down with water, oil it up, and it's ready to go for next time. They have every accessory you need too, so if you want to roast chickens or smoke your meat, you can. This is seriously the best thing we've gotten, so if you want to plug in and grill easier, go check it out yourself.